Hello everyone, Ghostblade 1062 here with another rolling stock review. Today, we will be looking at a Piko Expert line Wascosa chemical tank car. Alright, taking a look at the box, we get our first look at the tank car through the clear front plastic window. On the left-hand side of the box, we have the barcode, which is currently covered up by the price sticker. And beneath that, we have the item number, this being 58976. It is a chemical tank car from Wascosa for Era 6, meaning 2007 to present. And its road number is 7933-044-4. On the underside of the box, we have a warning that this product is not meant for anyone under the age of 14. And on the back of the box, we have some information about the manufacturer, including contact information. And now, opening up the box, we have the car sitting in this two-piece plastic cradle. And accompanying that, we have some paperwork, including Piko's typical advertising booklet, and we also have a list of spare parts and part numbers. Now, removing the top part of the shell, we have the car covered in this sheet of thin plastic for extra protection. And right from the get-go, we can see that this is a very detailed model. Starting on the left-hand side here, we have separately fitted brass handrails, plastic handrails. We have our information board here on the side, including capacities and the road number and railroad. We have 3 slots here for optional warning labels. Moving further down, we have some slightly detailed trucks. We have our basic suspension detailing here. And we have an air reservoir tank, as well as several control levers. Then we have our hookups for hoses on the side here, just after that. We have a separately fitted plastic ladder that leads up to the roof of the tank car, to a roof walk with access to all of the hatches. We have some warning labels and the Wascosa logo. On the end here, we have a separately fitted handrail and step, as well as some labeling on the end here. Looking at the other side, we see much of the same details as we did on the other side. And looking at the front of the car, we also, alongside the walkway here, have our separately fitted plastic brake wheel. Looking at the underside, we have our various pipes leading to the control valves, as well as our hookups for hoses. The couplers sit in NEM shafts, making for easy switching. And now, checking the axles, we find that all 4 axles are engaged as per the NMRA standard. The car is very free rolling, and it has a little bit of body wobble. And now to take it over to the track for a test run. Alright, and now coming in behind the locomotive, we have our tank car. Alright everybody, this concludes our review of the Piko Expert line Wascosa chemical tanker. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like or a comment, and subscribe for more model railroad content. Have a great day everybody!